For doing this 9.15, so we need to have some information, knowledge about mirror equation and all those things. Mirror equation, here you can see 1 by f is equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v, and focal length of the concave mirror you need to take negative, and focal length of the convex mirror you need to take positive. And in both the situations, object distance you need to take negative. And by mutual adjustment, you can see the formula 1 by f is equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. If I want to calculate 1 by v, then 1 by u will go that side, and the formula will become 1 by f is equals 1 by v is equals to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Magnification value minus v by u. If magnitude of magnification is greater than 1, we will call that object is enlarged. If the magnitude of magnification is less than 1, we will call it as diminished. Equals to 1, then same size. If the value is positive, then it is virtual image. If the value is negative, this is real image. Now come to the question. Here they said that object is placed between f and 2f. So what I have considered here is between f and 2f, I have considered that object value as 1.5, means between f and 2f. Now, and I substituted their values and I got that answer as minus 3f. As the minus has come, minus, what is the minus? Indicates that it image is the real image. And you can see that value also got 3f. It means its magnitude is greater than 2f. So here we can prove that image is real and is always formed beyond 2f. Now come to the second question. Here the convex mirror is given. Convex mirror, we need to take a focal length positive and object distance negative. When we substitute in the value, you will get that v is equals to fu by f plus u. Here you can see that magnitude is always positive. As the magnitude of v is positive, then the image is said to be virtual image. So what is the answer you can write? As the magnitude is positive, that image is virtual image. Now you can see, carefully observe that if we substitute any value for u, you will get that magnitude of v is always less than magnitude of u. As in magnification value, we need to substitute v by u. As numerator is less than denominator, we will get the magnitude always less than 1. It shows that it is the diminished image. So for the C, we got that image is diminished image. Now come to the last question. Here the object is placed between pole and focus. Like in the first question, as I have considered that object distance as 1.5 f, here I have taken that middle 0.5 f minus 0.5 f. Now substitute as per the question, as per the formula, then I am getting that v is equals to plus value. Plus indicates that image is always virtual. Now see the calculate the image distance also. You can by doing calculation, you will get the image distance as equals to fu by u minus f. Observe carefully, the magnitude of v is always greater than the magnitude of u. So when we substitute in the magnification formula minus v by u, as the numerator is greater than denominator, we will get the magnification value is greater than 1. So you can consider as enlarged image. Thank you.